In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently disabled Facebook account. If you've been locked out and your profile shows as suspended or disabled, there is a formal appeal process you can use, and you typically need to start within 180 days. This method doesn't guarantee restoration, but it's the official path and gives you the best chance. First, head to the Facebook Help Center and open the page titled My Personal Facebook Account is Suspended or Disabled. Make sure you are on the official Facebook site before entering any information. This page contains the appeal form you will submit. You can use any browser on a phone or computer. If you are asked for the email or mobile number tied to the account, enter the one you used when you signed up. Next, prepare to verify your identity. Facebook will usually ask for a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and may also ask for a selfie to confirm that the ID belongs to you. Take clear, well-lit photos. Avoid glare and shadows. And make sure your full name, photo, and date of birth on the ID are readable. Submit unedited images and ensure the details match the information on your account. For the selfie, frame your face clearly, remove hats or sunglasses. And don't use filters. Only upload these images through the official form on the Help Center page. In the section where you explain what happened, be concise, factual, and respectful. Describe why you believe the suspension or disable was a mistake. If you think an automated system flagged your account in error, say that plainly. If your account was compromised earlier or you recently changed locations or devices, mention it. Keep your explanation simple and honest. You don't need to provide long personal stories, just enough context for a reviewer to understand the situation. After you submit the appeal, the review can take a few days and, in some cases, longer. During this time, be patient and avoid sending multiple appeals for the same case, as that can slow things down. Keep an eye on the email inbox associated with your account, including spam or junk folders, since Facebook may contact you there with updates or requests for more information. If they do ask for anything else, respond promptly and through the same official channel. That's the entire process. Thanks for watching.